Alfa Romeo Spider Touring. It was delivered in June 1960 at the Milano factory, delivered to a young man, a young Italian man who had a dream and wanted to sell ice cream in the United States. He took the car on the boat to Florida, and it has stayed with him until 2017. So this car is now currently 66 years old, next month in June. But the man kept it until he was 84. It's got the original mileage, or in kilometers, 55,000. And it has been kept completely original. So when our customer acquired it in 2017, it was still in its completely original state. Original interior, no welding on the car, no welding on the chassis. It's got its original matching numbers, engine, gearbox. Our customer, who is a man who has done more than 10 restorations of Spider Tourings throughout his life, has taken it apart until the last detail. There is a very big catalog of photos of all the work that has been done, and it's had a complete repaint, top and bottom. If you look at the bottom of this car, it's just like it's been delivered new yesterday. Absolutely an Alfa Romeo Spider Touring like you have never seen. I think it's nowadays, if you want to do this, if you want to do this work on a car, it's almost, I think, unaffordable. The details are astonishing. You should see it in real time, but come take a closer look. Even kijken, joh. There has been done no new redecorating on the seats, on the interior. This is still the original Sky interior, which the car left the factory with. I think something that's quite unseen nowadays. Car and chassis are completely original. There's been no welding on the chassis, no welding on any panels. Look at these details. Check out the details on this paintwork. A chance to acquire a 2000 Touring that smells, runs, drives, and feels new.
Vissuto senza fine, tu sei un attimo senza fine, non hai ieri